Welcome back. Continuing the news. A new video and much closer angle of the fatal shooting involving King Alarm guards and a 16-year-old in Crossroads, St. Andrew last Wednesday has surfaced. As TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports, it raises fresh concerns about the incident.
This is the new video making rounds on social media. It's 40 seconds long and shows a different angle from the initial closed-circuit TV footage which was released last week. It begins with three boys engaged in a conversation with individuals inside a King Alarm vehicle. The conversation goes on for a few seconds. Two of the youngsters move out of the frame of the video while the other, wearing black, lifts his shirt. Though not clear, there appears to be a movement with his left hand, after which an object is seen flying from his hand as he falls to the ground. The sequence of events which led to 16-year-old Tayshawn Marshall being shot remains unclear. The security guards are seen exiting the vehicle following the shooting. The police have reported that the teenager was shot and killed by guards after they responded to reports of a break-in. The release from JCF's Corporate Communications Unit said an imitation firearm was also recovered. In the meantime, head of King Alarm John Azar told our news center that the guards involved have been taken off frontline duty to facilitate the investigation. King Alarm also sent a release last week, saying while the incident was unfortunate and tragic, it was a justifiable one. King Alarm said the youngster who was killed lifted his shirt with his right hand as if to show he had no weapon, while simultaneously and without warning reached for what appeared to be a firearm concealed to the back left-hand side of his waistband. The release further stated that King Alarm deeply regrets any loss of life and are cooperating fully with the police in the investigation. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.